Before you start the assembly, you will need an adjustable wrench and a screwdriver. Take all the components out of the box and lay them out to make sure you have the following. Use the manual's parts list as a checklist. Let's begin with the frame assembly. Take the side frames and the frame bars and align at the tabs. Align the frame bar and slide the locking tab into the side frame until you hear the tab snap into place. Repeat again. Connect the ends of both bars to the side frames to complete the frame. Next, we assemble the reel. Start with any one of the reels and the exit tube. With the exit tube facing down, align the edge under the snaps. Then, press down to snap the tube into place. The two cross braces will connect the two reels. Align the brace's edge onto the reel side. Take the other reel and align it on the other end of the brace. The screw holes guide the alignment. Use the supplied screws and secure the cross brace to the reels. Do not over-tighten the cross brace screws. Take the second cross brace and face the other half to complete the reel alignment. Snap the braces together. Tighten the remaining screws into place until you feel resistance. Ensure that the screws have secured both sides together. Do not over-tighten the screws. Join the reel assembly to the frame mount. Flex the sides of the mount outward and slide the reel assembly into place. Do one side and then the other. Using the supplied lubricant, lubricate the O-rings on the supply tube. Identify the side frame slot that is on the same side as the exit tube and insert the supply tube. Then press down to snap the tube into place. Secure the supply tube with the C-shaped lock. Slide the lock into the slot and push until you hear an audible snap. To add the shelf, align the tabs on the back side of the shelf with the left and right side frames. Push down to snap the shelf into place. Do one side and then the other. Take the crank handle and insert it into the open reel hub and snap into place. Once the hose reel has been assembled, simply connect the leader hose to the supply tube. Do not over-tighten.